Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to log out or sign out of your messenger. Now if you want to log out or sign out of messenger only, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. And to do so, you need to simply open messenger app on a device and make sure that you have installed the app and connected to Wi-Fi at the very first. Now open messenger app on a device. So as you can see, this is the landing page of messenger, and you will see various options at the very top taskbar and at the very bottom taskbar. Now you need to click on the three straight lines at the very top left of your page. So click on it, and under here you will see various options like chat, marketplace, message request and all. And you need to click on the gear like icon at the very top right, which is the settings icon. So on the settings you will see various options. Now you need to scroll down until you see the option of Meta Account Center. So click on the option of see more in Account Center. So under here you will see the option of password and security. So you need to simply click on it, and under password and security you need to simply click on the option of where you are logged in. Click on the option of the Facebook or Instagram you want to log out from. So click on the option of Facebook, and you will see the various account where you have logged in. So you need to select device to log out. So you may simply click on the device you want to log out from. So you need to simply select the device you want to log out from. So I'm currently logged into this device, so you need to simply click on the option of log out, and you will be logged out from your messenger account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Or you may also click on the option of select all to select all the device you want to log out from your messenger account. So that's it. That's how you can sign out of messenger. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.